Good morning. So today we're looking at SPY, and we're doing this live again. Once again, I'm going to keep this in mind. We're doing the training, and while we're training, we want to keep our position size very small. The reason why we want to do this is because we want to learn. We're here to learn, and we are here to um, build a skill set and not post videos or stories about how we're making hundreds of millions of dollars or whatever. We're looking at SPY on the 5 minute chart right now. As we can see, we have the pre-market over here, we have the low, and we have the high, we have the support resistance levels. As we can see over here, it breaks the resistance level right around here. Um, it also breaks our indicators and it's going up, so it's very bullish. Right now, we're in profit $3.74. Once again, keep in mind with 100 shares, that's $370. With 1,000 shares, that's 3,000. You do the math. Right now, we're developing the skill set how to enter, how to exit, how to stay in, where to position our stop losses. Um, so right now I want to talk about, I'm going to keep this video very short. I want to talk about stop losses and let's talk about this over here. So right now I entered into this trade right over here. It broke our line. Once again, this is a 5 minute chart. I can switch over to the one, no, that's the 1 second chart. I can switch over to the 1 minute chart. I entered it over here, maybe a better entry point. Um, could have been over here, but as you know, this breaks our pre-market high right around here. So as you can see, it went up, went down, re-entered right there. It could have been better if I entered it right around here, but I got in over here and it went up. It's been testing this level and then broke through the high of the day again, and it's over here. Um, let's go back to the 5 minute chart. So back to the 5 minute chart. I was actually trading on the 5 minute chart, so broke over here, entered here, and the stop loss. Why do we have a stop loss? We have a stop loss because if the price of the market fluctuates, it goes up and down. We don't know where it's going to go. We don't know for a fact where it's going to go. We can only take an educated guess. We can make a calculated risk. Sometimes something may happen where in a few seconds or in a minute, the price can go from a very high point to a very low point. It happens. So and then if that happens, then people lose a lot of money. So it's always good to have a stop loss. Now, a lot of people, when they enter the trade, they might set their stop loss around here, around here. A lot of people have very, very tight stop losses. Some people have large stop losses. It's recommended to risk about 1 to 2% of your account size. As soon as your trade goes into profit, it's a good idea to have a trailing stop loss, such as this. So if the price goes below this point, it stops out in profit, if that makes sense. It's always good to do that. So as we can see, $3.50. One option trade would be 350, all with $350, all within about 40 minutes of the market open, 30 to 40 minutes of the market open. And some people will be done for the day just by doing that. See, we're developing some patience, and yeah, we're just staying in this trade now. As you can see, the price is still going up. Okay, the price is still going up. We're at 412, 415. We have our stop loss set at 292. As we can see, one option trade, $400, 100 shares, $400, 50 shares, $200, 1,000 shares for $1,000. So this is really about the skill set. I have to emphasize this. It's really about the skill set. It is, um, it's a different game when you have more more at risk. But that's why we're suggesting to start off slow and to gradually move up. So start from one, go to 10. So with 10 shares, it would be $40. So, which isn't bad because a lot of good jobs out there pay $40 an hour, $50 an hour. That's good. I'm not saying that you might make that for the day. I'm not saying that you're gonna make a living off of that. You might need a part-time job or something, but after 10, you can go to 20 and 30, 40, 50. Slowly take yourself there. We're gonna Kaizen incrementally grow, but first you have to develop the skill. So this takes time. Okay, so I'm actually gonna close out very soon, and I'm gonna stop this video. So hopefully you learned something today.